Now measure 2 and measure 3 have the same rhythm in them. We're going to deal with measure 2 right now, but I just want you to be aware that they have the same do, do, day, do rhythm to them. And these are probably the trickiest parts of the whole melody. Measure 2 sounds like this. Here it is again. Notice it starts on E and it ends on D. And in between that E at the beginning and the D at the end, there's a F sharp, G, F sharp, and that's probably the tricky part. So what I would do is just practice trilling or going between F sharp and G a few times until your hands remember it. Notice that I'm moving my fingers from the big knuckle over here. I'm not moving them from the little knuckles. I'm moving them as if they're one unit. And my fingers are large enough that they can sort of touch each other, and that helps me remember and feel where they are. So when you're doing your trim, try to move from the big knuckle. Remember, we quack like a duck. A little awkward doing that in front of the camera, but you get what I'm saying, I hope. And you don't want to lift your fingers too far off of the recorder. I'm really only going maybe 1/4 of an inch at most. Okay? So once you kind of master that F sharp, G, F sharp thing, then you can practice going, starting on E, E, F sharp, G, and then E, F sharp, G, F sharp. And then it's a simple matter to just put your first finger down and get the D. So here it is again. E, F, G, F, D. Take the time to really learn this measure well, and it'll pay off big rewards, especially when you start working on measure 3 and when you want to go back and play the whole melody. You'll get to this part, and if you've spent the time working on it now, you'll play it with confidence and you'll play it accurately, and that's the goal. Here it is one last time. Good luck. Dig in, and let's get that measure learned.